Do you slide on all your nights like this? Do you try on all your nights like this? Put some spotlight on the slide. Whatever comes, comes through clear. Do you slide on all your nights like this? Do you try on all your nights like this?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley. If you're new and if you're not, welcome back. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe down below. In today's video, I did this really pretty green slash blue slash yellow inspired look, and I also added some white eyeliner there to give it an extra oomph. I think it came out really pretty, really nice, and it's super wearable for spring. So this one just another look I came up with and I really like, and I really think it's super cute. The look is also very easy. It's very beginner friendly. I know it looks a little bit challenging, but trust me, it's really simple. Before this video starts, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below and leave a comment, and stay tuned for the video. Okay, we're gonna jump right into this. As you can see, I already did one eye off camera, and that's gonna be our finished look. And to start the makeup off, we're going to be priming our eyes with the NYX Eyeshadow Base. And I didn't see a name, but here are the numbers. It's ESB03 or 03, and I'm just going to be using the back of my tweezers to scoop that out and put it on my eye and then blend it out. So the first palette we're going to be using, you guys have seen in my past 3 tutorials, and I'm going to be using this yellow shade right here, and I'm going to be packing on the color first, and then I'm going to be taking a fluffy brush and blending that out. So on to the next palette. I'm going to be taking my Jaclyn by Morphe palette, and this is another favorite palette of mine, and I'm going to be taking this gorgeous shade in the second row and just packing that onto the same place I put the regular yellow on, just to start deepening this up. So using that same palette, I'm going to be using this tealish color in the bottom row next to the shimmery blue, and I'm going to be packing that into my crease, starting off very slow, then building the color. First I'm going to start packing it on, and then I'm going to blend this out. Going back to that goldish color we used before the green, I'm going to be using this just to soften up the lines that we created while packing on that green. We don't want it to look really harsh, so we're just going to take this color and try to soften it up so it looks seamless. The next color I'm using is this forest green in the bottom row, and I'm going to be taking that color and packing it on the corners of my eye. As you can see, I'm not mentioning the brushes I'm using, but I'll have them listed down in the description box below. This is a Morphe 441, I believe. I'm not sure. I'm not good with names. But anyway, next I'm grabbing this blue, this shimmery blue, and I'm going to be using my finger to pack that onto my lid. I'm using my finger because it softens up the color and it really just melts onto my lid. If you use a brush, you wouldn't get that bright, nice effect that I'm getting with my finger. So now it's cleanup time. I'm basically taking that same brush I used for the green just to buffer out those lines that we put with the shimmer, and then I'm taking the same brush we used for that teal color and just softening up the top of that shimmery blue, and then I'm taking the brush we used for the goldish color and just softening up the entire thing. Now I'm taking this NYX body liner, and I'm going to put in that on my eyelid where I put the shimmery blue on it, just to add some more radiant, more sparkly and glittery effect to the lid. And I did this in my last video. I like the way it turned out, so I'm going to be doing this a lot more often. It came out really cute. So I'm taking another NYX eyeliner, but this one is in white, and I'm going to be creating a little semicircle in my crease. And honestly, this was the most time consuming, the most meticulous, the most tedious thing I've ever done in a while. This took me so long to do, and the one on my left eye was really crooked, but I didn't know what else to do, so I just left it. But this one came out a little bit better, so I guess I'm getting better at it. And I really want to add some more liners in my looks, but if it's gonna be this hard, I don't know, like I don't know. And today's lashes are from Aliexpress. As always, I'll leave the link to where I got these lashes down in the description box for you guys. And these are how the lashes look when they're on. And now moving on to the face, you guys have seen me do this lots of times, and honestly I think it's the same products I used in my last video. So if you really want to see how I did my face that bad, you could go check out that video. But I'm just gonna speed through this, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay guys, so I'm back, and now I'm taking my Fenty Beauty highlighter in the shade Trophy Wife, and I'm going to be packing this onto this dome brush and putting it in my inner corner as a highlight. Next, I'm taking my Urban Decay All-Nighter eyeliner in black. I'm going to be smudging this all over my waterline, preparing to smoke it out. Now to smoke it out, I'm going to be using the same forest green I used on the inner corner and the outer corner of my eyes. And I'm going to be packing it on this flat top brush and just literally smudging it, going all around my eye. Then I'm taking another fluffy brush from e.l.f. and I'm going to blend this out even more. So now I'm just going to be coating my lashes with some mascara, and y'all should know this by now, but I love a good bottom lash. I love when they're popping. Then now I'm taking this lip liner from Colourpop in the shade Pitch. It's one of my favorite lip liners of all time. It's so soft and it glides on so smoothly. As you can see here, I'm kind of like contouring my lips. I've seen people do this before, and honestly I don't think it works for me. But next I'm taking this Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in the color Knock on Wood. I'm going to be putting it all over my lips, and I'm taking my finger and smudging that in to give it an ombre effect. Then for gloss, I'm taking this e.l.f. lip gloss in their color, I believe it's Champagne, but don't quote me until you see the description box. I think it's Champagne, but I'm just going to be finishing my lips off with this gloss, and that's going to be it for the video.
Black Lions.
So that is it for this look, guys. This is the finished look that I get right here. I think it's super cute, super wearable for spring. And if you enjoyed it, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. Leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.